George Maddox.
Okay, so I reattached my GoPro. I forgot to put the clip on it. Let's see if this works out. Never tried this. It's a electrical cord. So it's a 50-foot wire, so it's really long, but it just makes it crappy in such a way that unfolding it or untangling it is gets messy. Holy mother of God, I'm getting old. Why is it not working? It's in there. In there. GFCI must have blown. Or not blown, but oh, and it's out. There we go. Oh, gone. So it was not an issue. I just didn't plug it in. Retard. Okay, that works fairly well. Okay, quickly. Okay, this little piece, slam done. I only want to do this part, so ready for cleanup. It'll take a few minutes. So next video is going to be moving this pile of materials up on there. Put the tarp under it first, and so I can clean up this area because it's been a mess for a long time. I'm done with it. I want to eventually make a little patio here. So as always, thank you guys, and let me know if you need if you have any ideas for videos. Comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and click the bell notification. Yeah, that's really appreciated because it will help you out tremendously in showing up on Google searches. More content I put out, more likes I get, more videos, helps really well. So please subscribe, do all the good stuff. See you next video.
Quick about this channel. Frequent short videos about 5 to 10 minutes. No music, very little editing. Everyday common and simple tasks. Do not forget to subscribe, like the video, hit that bell notification. By doing that, you will help this channel tremendously. Comment on how much you like this video. Ideas for more videos or suggestions on how things can be done better. Thank you for watching.